Well, it's the third render of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, courtesy of Let's Go Digital. Now, this is also based on information from a Korean leakster. Now, we've seen two other possible designs, one with P-shaped camera cutout and the other one with two vertical bumps. Now, this one differentiates from the past as it have a new water drop camera design, which makes it look more like the LG Velvet or evolved LG Velvet. And it also reminds me of the latest gen Galaxy A series devices, some of them. Now, this new design also got a green light by tipster Ice Universe. Now, we have seen water drop camera designs before, but this one will be the first time Samsung might use it on a Galaxy Ultra flagship phone. Now, according to Let's Go Digital, the phone will be called Galaxy S22 Ultra, not the Note 22 Ultra. So I'm not gonna call it Note anymore, okay? Now, here's the thing. Is the design is beautiful? Well, it's kinda yes and kinda no. Because on one hand, there is no bump, and it definitely will be thicker. That means it will have more battery, so it's great. But on the other hand, all those 5 rings kind of freaking me out a little bit, but that's just me. I wish if Samsung is taking this design as the main design, don't put the rings around the smaller holes, please. It'll look really crazy to me. But anyway, it's coming with a Note design, and that's the thing I like. Let me know in the comment section, will you like a water drop design or a camera bump is what you need. Now, as for the specs, the S22 Ultra is said to feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with scented punch hole. As for the camera, it will have a 108MP main camera alongside a 12MP ultra-wide-angle snapper. As for the zoom lenses, there will be a 3x telephoto 12MP zoom camera and another 12MP camera, but this time it's a 10x periscope zoom system. Now, all of them will have OIS, and at the front, the phone will feature a 40MP camera. Now, the biggest surprise will be Samsung's Exynos 2200 with AMD's RDNA 2 GPU, which is expected to be inside the phone and will be limited to few markets. Now, everywhere else, we're gonna get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 or 895. And the phone is expected to feature a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging support. Now, in these renders, we can see 3 colors, black, white, and burgundy red, and they look really good. But hey, we don't know about the color options. But at least it will feature an S Pen slot. That's we know. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet, or your phone. joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.